guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Asia and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I took this 16-inch lace front lustrous wave wig from my hair collection Luxury Crown Extensions and dyed it silver with black roots. So first I'm going to be taking 30 volume developer and some T18 bullet color charm toner, and I'm gonna be doing 2 parts developer, 1 part toner, mixing it up. And I think I used 2 boxes of this, so I used 2 of those toners. So before I even toned it, I did dye the roots like a dark brown color because I seen the other girl do it and she left the dye on there and then she toned it, which was just a dumb idea. So yeah, that was a fail, but you guys are going to see me go back in and redo the roots all over again. So now you guys are just watching me distribute the toner throughout the wig, and yes, I left the dye on the roots and then toned it. I don't know why I even thought that was a good idea. It ended up turning purple and it looked terrible. I was so upset. I didn't even look at the wig for days because I was just like, that was so dumb, but it ended up working out at the end. So stay tuned to see how this comes out. Purple shampoo and cold water it soak. And this is what happened when you try to be lazy. And now I'm just going back and having to do it the even longer way and adding black hair dye to the roots, because as you can see, it turned purple. So yeah, enjoy. I don't know why, but I just really love adding the roots onto the wig. It's really satisfying to watch. It's really satisfying to do. But anyway, so next I'm just gonna let it soak in the purple shampoo in cold water for another 15 minutes. And then this is the color I got. I got like a silver color, and the roots were black. And I like it. It was really cute. It came out way better than it did the first time. So since I've hit over 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel and over 100 followers on my business page, I've decided to have a giveaway, and this is a unit that you guys can win. So follow the instructions in the description, and I'll also have the instructions at the end of this video. So thank you guys for watching, and feel free to enter the giveaway. Bye. See you next time.